გიბრუნდებით ლონდონის წიგნის ბაზრობიდან, ჩვენთან ერთად ახლა იმყოფება გამომცემელთა მსოფლიო ასოციაციის ახლად არჩეული პრეზიდენტი ბატონი ჰიუგო ზეტცერი, რომელიც რამდენიმე სიტყვით გაგვესაუბრება გამომცემელთა მსოფლიო ასოციაციის მიერ დაგეგმილი ღონისძიებების შესახებ ლონდონში და ასევე შეგახსენებთ, რომ სულ ცოტა ხნის წინ საქართველოს წიგნის გამომცემელთა ასოციაცია შეუერთდა გამომცემელთა მსოფლიო ასოციაციას და აღმასრულებელი კომიტეტის წევრი გახდა, რის შესახებ ის ასევე მოგცემს Mr. Hugho, thank you for your time and for your interview. Congratulations, because you are the newly elected president of IPA, and congratulations as well to IPA, because I think that you are quite very active and strong person for IPA, and your free word is heard from different platforms already, so thank you for this. And I just want you to ask to speak about the plans the IPA has in the frames of London Book Fair, because here you will take different platforms and you will discuss this different topics and challenges the world publishing has. We just had this conference in the terms of freedom of publishing, and you have very impressive speech. So what's going on in the world and what problems we are dealing with in the publishing world? Just to explain us in short film.
Thank you, Banza. Thank you for the congratulations, and congratulations to you as well as our new member of the Executive Committee of IPA. We're very glad to have you on board. And yes, London Book Fair is always important for us because we have a chance to meet many publishers from around the world, many of our members. And there is definitely a lot going on, as we heard from the different panelists this morning. A lot going on around freedom to publish, which is one of our main pillars in IPA, to defend the freedom to publish for all of our members. And the other one, which we will be also speaking about a lot this week, will be copyright, of course. All the threats we are facing as publishers to defend our copyright as well. So both things are kind of being threatened at the moment globally around the world, and we are engaging as the International Publishers Association to help publishers around the world with those problems.
Thank you so much. Wish you success in all of your goals. And shortly, the video is for Georgian auditorium. They are very much interested about the Georgian Publishers and Booksellers Association joining the executive committee of the IPA. So you know IPA has a long history, 1,125 years already, and it is the first case when the Georgian voice has joined the executive committee. So it's a very historical fact for Georgia as well. And what do you think, why it happened? So how can this very small market be useful somehow for the members of the IPA, how you see the role of Georgian publishing industry in this whole and huge industry of the world publishing?
Well, I think the Georgian publishing industry is important, and even though, as you mentioned, Georgia is a small country, but from what I've heard, the publishing industry there is an important industry, and it's important for us at IPA to really have a global reach, to have members from all the different countries where publishers need us to be there. So having Georgia as a member of the IPA is very important. And I think that the presence of Georgia now with you as the executive committee member has a lot to do also with the work you have done and with your energy within IPA and what you have done. And I think you were very convincing in the elections last year to become an executive committee member. So I'm very glad that we also have some other different voices than the traditional voices we usually hear in publishing.
Thank you so much, and we can already say that we have some plans about your visit somehow in Georgia. Probably we will be happy if you will just now confirm that somehow you're planning to visit Georgia and to meet maybe Georgian publishers and learn much about us and about our problems. So
sure, I would love to come and visit you and as mentioned, and to learn from you and from your publishers.